Welcome back to the Luxury Car Show, where we explore vehicles from high-end luxury machines to legendary everyday icons. Today, we're looking at a vehicle that may not be a traditional luxury car, but in many countries, especially Pakistan, it holds a special place in automotive history, the Suzuki Bolan. At first glance, the Suzuki Bolan is simple, compact, and highly practical. Its boxy design focuses on maximum space and usability rather than aggressive styling. The front view shows a straightforward and functional appearance, designed for easy maintenance and strong visibility on crowded city roads. This simplicity is exactly what makes it iconic. Moving to the side profile, the Bolan's tall body allows excellent interior space despite its small footprint. This van has been used for everything: family transport, small businesses, cargo delivery, and even modified camper builds. Its versatility is one of its strongest selling points, making it more than just a vehicle. It's a reliable partner for daily life. At the rear, the large doors provide easy loading access, which is perfect for commercial users. The minimalistic design keeps things practical and efficient. While modern vehicles may focus heavily on luxury features, the Bolan stands out by offering durability and functionality. Now let's step inside. The interior of the Suzuki Bolan is basic but spacious. The dashboard layout is simple and driver-focused, ensuring ease of use. Large windows provide excellent visibility, making city driving easier and safer. While you won't find advanced digital screens or premium leather finishes here, you will find a cabin designed to be practical, easy to clean, and adaptable to many needs. Under the hood, the Bolan features a small yet reliable engine that prioritizes fuel efficiency and easy maintenance. Mechanics appreciate its straightforward engineering, which has helped maintain its popularity for decades. So why talk about the Suzuki Bolan on a luxury car show? Because luxury is not only about expensive materials or high performance. Sometimes, true luxury lies in reliability, simplicity, and the ability to serve generations. The Bolan represents a different kind of automotive value, one built on trust, practicality, and cultural significance. What do you think about the Suzuki Bolan? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more automotive stories from around the world.